What is Trinity? O ano ang Trinity? Can someone explain the Trinity to me? Bagamat ang salitang Trinity ay hindi directly nakasulat sa Biblia, pero makikita natin yung meaning nito in different verses in the Bible. Ang salitang Trinity ay nanggaling from two word, tri and unity. Tri means three and unity means one. So ibig sabihin nito ay three in one. Three person, one God. Tatlong persona, iisang Diyos. At ang tatlong persona ay ang Ama, the Father, the Son, Jesus Christ, and Holy Spirit o Espiritu Santo. Isa lang ang Diyos. Tandaan natin, hindi tatlo, kundi isa lang. Katulad ng nakasulat sa Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 4. Sinabi dito, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one." So kung iisa lang ang Diyos, paano siya nagkaroon ng tatlong persona? Hindi ba't nakakalito at mahirap maintindihan? Normal lang na mahirapan tayong maintindihan ang Diyos o ang Trinity. Bakit? Kasi we are limited being o ang understanding natin and our mind is limited o limitado lang. But God is unlimited o walang hanggan. Sa Job chapter 11 verse 7 to 9, sinabi dito, "Can you fathom the mysteries of God?" Maaari mo bang maunawaan ang mga misteryo ng Diyos? Can you probe the limits of the Almighty? Maaari mo bang sukatin ang hangganan ng makapangyarihan? They are higher than heavens above. Amang ito ay higit pa sa langit. But if we look from the very beginning sa Old Testament, ang Trinity is already introduced to us by God. Sa Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, "And God said, let us make man in our image according to our likeness." Kung mapapansin natin, ang nakalagay ay us and our, tayo at atat. Hindi niya sinabi na, "Let me make a man in my image." Dito, God is talking to Himself. Nagkaroon ng communion o pag-uusap ang Diyos o tatlong persona, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Kaya nakalagay dito is us, let us, and our in our image. Dito pa lang sa simula, nakikita natin ang Trinity. Three person, one God. Ibig sabihin din ng Trinity, the Father is God, the Son, Jesus Christ, is God, and the Holy Spirit is God. In John chapter 8 verse 58, sinabi ni Jesus, "Before Abraham was, I am." At kung makikita natin sa Exodus chapter 3 verse 14, nung tinanong ni Moses kung ano ang pangalan ng Diyos, sinabi niya, "I am who I am." I am means eternal existence, no beginning, no creation, and not limited by time. So pinakikita dito na si Jesus ay Diyos. Sa katunayan sa New Testament, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit ay binanggit 14 times together in several passages. Isang halimbawa nito ay Matthew chapter 8 verse 19. "Therefore go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and the Holy Spirit." At the end of the day, ang Trinity is not something na lubos nating mauunawaan with our human understanding. Ito ay unti-unti nating nadediscover sa pamamagitan ng salita ng Diyos. Maaaring hindi natin maintindihan ang lahat tungkol sa Trinity, pero maaari pa rin nating pagkatiwalaan ang Diyos na higit sa lahat. One God who reveals Himself as Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. So instead na subukan nating i-explain ng Diyos, we are also invited to know Him, to believe Him, and to worship Him. Because the greatest truth is not just understanding God, it is knowing that He knows us. Kilala niya tayo, and He is with us. This is the Trinity. Three person, one God.